Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. This week I have been sharing all of the things when it comes to December daily, and I thought this week was the perfect time with it being a long holiday weekend. If you guys aren't shopping, you're home watching Christmas movies, setting up Christmas, and what better time for us planners to set up Christmas than with a December daily. So with the December daily, you basically highlight a moment for the 25 days of Christmas, or if you want to do the 1st to the 31st, you can do that too. And I wanted to share my process with you guys. I started doing December daily about 3 years ago, just about. Yeah, 2016, 2017, 2018. No, this is going to be, what is it? I think this is my 4th year doing it. So I will link below the videos that I have shared so far of my kit that I put together, as well as the previous December daily planners that I created. And I was inspired to put the kit together from Posh Plans, Pasha, on Instagram, and I think that it's going to be a little bit easier for me to manage as I set this up ahead of time, so that when each day, each night when I go to put in my highlight, I can just write it in, and if I choose to add an embellishment, great. If I don't, it's already set up for me. So I love that setup process, and I went to Hobby Lobby to pick up a few things. Everything that I purchased was on sale, and this is the only thing that's not Christmas related, but everything else was on sale. The Christmas stuff was 50% off, and then all the other stickers were 40% off. So I'm going to start with the glue sticks. These I found in the clearance section. The clearance section at the Hobby Lobby that I go to is very ransacked. It's a hot mess express. But I did find these. They had the larger one that was 75 cents. But for 6 here, for $1.25 versus the regular $5, I thought it was a pretty decent deal. And these are the Glue Stick Value Pack Permanent. And this is from the Paper Studio line. Then I got these thickers. I saw Pasha post about these. So it has 1 through 25. If I choose to go to the 31st, fine. If I just stick with the 25 days leading up to Christmas, then that's cool too. But I really, really love these. I'm interested in seeing how these are going to adhere, because the thing that I find with thicker stickers is that they don't really stick. But I've heard great things about the brand thickers in general. So yeah, they call this the 25 days of Christmas basically. So I'll have all this stuff linked in the description box for you to check out. Then I found these die cut stickers. This is the first time I saw these die cuts. This is part of the Stickabilities. They have it with all the other stickers in the sticker aisle of Hobby Lobby, and then the rest of the Christmas stuff was like in one of those middle aisles where they have like other odds and ends close to the decor, depending on how your store is set up. This was on a regular Christmas like display, I should say. So I can't wait to get into these, y'all. Can't wait, can't wait. So here's what the back of the packaging looks like. So there's some ornaments, a snow globe, an ugly Christmas sweater, a Christmas tree. I really got this because it was nice that it was on sale, because I didn't want to pay the full price of this anyway. This was $5. I would not have paid $5 for it. I would have liked for it to be 50% off, but I'll take the savings that I can get. And I don't mind cutting the packaging because it's not going to stay in here anyway. So let's see what we have. And this is so cute if you wanted to send somebody like Happy Mail. This is great to share with friends. So you get 1, 2, 3 of the ugly Christmas sweaters, the snow globe, the gloves, and then these right here. This is so cute. I would love to send some Happy Mail. So that's that. And then the other bag has the ornaments, the one that says joy, the snowman that says let it snow, Merry Christmas, and peace. So I like the foiling on these where this is like more of a tradition. I love these. I love these. So these are these, they say that they're sticky. I don't really feel that they're sticky. But they say die cut stickers, 8 designs. So, oh, it is. There you have it. Boom. Okay. Okay. But one thing I will say is that I like for other die cut stickers that I've purchased before for them to have that little slit right here so you can easily peel it up. But that's just my personal thing. And I have my die cut bags that I use to store my die cuts. And even though these are stickers, they'll be in that same storage. But that's cute. And this is a great idea if you guys are thinking of sending mail, happy mail to friends. This is really, really cute. And I don't know. I might, we'll see. Then the other 3 things that I got were all 50% off. So this was a regular $4, came down to $2. This came down to $1 from $1.99, and this came down to $1.25, $2.50. Yeah, I could do math. Okay, so these, I think that you get, these are the hashtag Christmas stickers, and I really, really like these. I'm gonna take them out. Again, things that come with multiple sheets, save them for future projects or share them with a friend. So I'm gonna take these out. Ooh, wow. I see why this one was a little bit more, because you get basically an extra sticker sheet, and these are clear stickers. So there's best gift ever, believe, Merry Christmas, TGIC, thank God it's Christmas, best wishes, this should have been together. I don't know why like they separated the hashtag. That's not the point of a hashtag. It's supposed to be together. Anyway, happy holidays, Elfie, jingle all the way, holly jolly, jingle, make it merry. And this would be really cute to put on like a page. I want to create a page in my December daily of all the movies that I'm watching. I love cheesy Christmas movies, especially the ones on Hallmark. Oh my God, they get me all the time. So next up are these. So you have this clear one, and then you have, well, they're both clear sticker sheets. They just put it on the white paper so you can really see it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you get one of each. This is a Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Joy to the World, and some other cute little icons. And then here, these are Christmas paper crafts. And these are Plaid Poinsettias. I love these. I love that they're 3D. They're so cute. And even this is something that you can share. Aw, this is so cute. So I don't know if this is like a sticker. I just peeled that right up. So I don't know if this is like a sticker or not, but this is just going to be really cute to add some dimension to your pages, really chunk up the planner. But that is all that I picked up from Hobby Lobby to add to my December daily stash for the year. I will be using these items this year for sure, along with the other stuff that I pulled to the side. I'm going to be using a little bit of everything. But if you guys have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Links to all this stuff will be in the description box, and there's going to be a little flash giveaway. So some of these goodies and some of the other goodies I have, I'm going to go ahead and give it to one of you guys. So if you would like to win some of these goodies, I don't know what it's going to be. It's going to be a little surprise, but just leave a comment below of what you enjoy most about the holiday season. I know not everybody celebrates Christmas, but this is basically a Christmas themed giveaway, but I just wanted to include that because I definitely don't want to continue to hoard things. I want to share the love with you all. So again, this is a little impromptu giveaway. I am going to put it on my Instagram as well. If you have Instagram, you can enter there, or you can enter here. All the names are going to be thrown in together anyway. But if you would like to enter the giveaway here right now, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below what you love most about the holiday season. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to all this stuff here that I can find, as well as related videos and the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join in on all the fun, all the giveaways, all the good stuff. But it's not just about giveaways here, but I do want to give back to you guys more this holiday season. I really appreciate all of you that comment and like and watch. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.